Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today in Europe. I'm with Louise Moon, our breaking news editor in the UK. Louise Moon. Louise, I told you about Societe Generale falling as the French Prime Minister Sebastien Lecornu resigned. How's that reflecting on bank stocks across the country?
Well, indeed, this is really the biggest news of the day, and that's what European markets are really concentrating on. Investors very worried about even more political uncertainty in the country and really weighing on the wider market, but banks are the biggest underperformers. They're leading those declines in France. So trading volumes, if you look at those, they're jumping far above averages. We've got the likes of BNP, SocGen falling around 5%. SocGen really leading those falls. They've been down at one point this morning over 6%. So really dragging those markets further down. There's one analyst that was saying this plunges France into or towards the unknown. There's a further loss in confidence in the business sector. So yeah, really weighing on banks kind of across the board, and that's the biggest dragger this morning.
What about the French mid-caps? I mean, the luxury names are in decline, but much more internationally focused.
They are. Well, so these mid-caps, they're the most exposed to the domestic economy, so that their 250 index in France was down over 2% this morning. And as you say, leading those losses are these luxury names, the likes of Hermes, LVMH, Kering. And it's not just luxury, it is also weighing on a wide range of sectors, so that also the likes of Airbus down into the red, Renault, so really weighing across those mid-caps. And it's French stocks, as I say, as a whole, underperforming European peers since Macron last year decided to call snap elections. But this morning, really seeing that impact.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.